So, are there things to do at the port of Puerto Plata without having to go into town or doing an excursion? I'm Stephanie with Unconditional Adventures. I'm here with my friend NanDee. We're on our first port stop of our cruise, and we're here in Puerto Plata. I've been to this port many times and didn't really want to spend the money on an excursion, so there's a lot of new things that are at this port. So let's go check them out and see what there is to do. Some things are free, some things have a nominal fee. But let's go see what you can do without ever really getting into town and really not leaving the port area. So let's go check it out. I love cigars.
Want one?
No.
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
So one of the things you can do here at the port in Puerto Plata is Monkey Island. Sounds cool, but if you go back and look inside the door, it's like just a bunch of rusty, crappy trailers and cages. And you go in, you get to see the monkeys, do cool tricks, pet a monkey, things like that. And so morally, I don't know, it's the ideal thing, but it's here, and you definitely pay for it. They market it to kids a lot, but adults who want to feel like they're going to an island and having an island experience go here as well. So this is here on the port. It is for a cost, but it is one of the things that you can do, and you don't have to make a reservation. You just kind of come in and add it on, and you just buy a ticket to get in, sort of thing. This is another one of the activities here at the port is the bird experience. It's just a walkthrough, but the birds are out, so they do charge $10 a person for you to go through it. It's small, but if you are super into like tropical birds, there were quite a few. So that is one thing that you can, again, just walk up and buy a ticket for as well.
Che va aspettato che poi rimango fino a luna di notte per vedere.
Another one of the free activities here in the port is the lazy river, and yes, it is free. You can hop in and cool off and ride around in an inner tube. Pretty cool. And try out the lazy river. Oh, river of the gods. So sorry, River of the Gods. According to the sign. It says it takes 20 minutes to get all the way around, so we'll see. So if you've never been to the Dominican before, the sun is brutal. The skies are very blue, but we're closer to the equator, and the sun is it's strong. So get some strong sunscreen and apply often, especially if you are blessed with pasty skin like me.
Not going to drag it out, is he?
A bit of despair. Just kidding. Slow bridge. NanDee taking her sweet time on the ropes course. This feels gross. Going through these. Oh God. It was like walking under a long-haired cow.
Ooh, yeah,
Or a
that was
horse.
not fun.
I didn't like that. That's the map of the Lazy River. It's a good size. Okay, let's see how wet you get on the splashy splash part. Little sprinkles. Whew. Oh, there's no avoiding this water. Getting closer. Oh, that's the big one. Oh. Isn't it funny how we get in the water to then try to avoid the water? I know. It's a different kind. Are you getting it filled with marijuana?
No,
Mamajuana?
no. That door's closed for me.
Why are you still filming?
Because you're going to walk away. Because you're having fun. There he is, you're partying.
So yeah, as you can see, plenty of things to do here at Port in Puerto Plata. Free pools, free lazy river. There's all kinds of restaurants and shops to check out here. Lots of ways to just relax and get yourself off the cruise ship into the sunshine without really spending much money at all if you don't want to. So there's lots of chairs, lots of stuff in the shade, plenty of like swim up bars and places to just lounge and enjoy your day. And again, use plenty of sunscreen on these days because the sun here is brutal. But yeah, again, if you've been to Puerto Plata, you don't want to go into town, or you just want to stretch your legs a little bit, get off the ship for, you know, half day, full day, whatever, there's plenty to do here. And what a cool place. Like, there's live music, and again, there's going to be like the markets that try to haggle with you and that kind of stuff. But overall, this has been a really nice day and a really great way to spend time off the ship without having to spend. I didn't spend any money at all today, which was nice. So check out the fruity drinks, check out the authentic food, and just enjoy your port day here in Puerto Plata. Again, if you want to see more about different ports, different cruises, all kinds of things on my channel, and you haven't had a chance to go subscribe, please go over there and do so. And make sure you like this video so that it kind of gets pushed back up to the top of the algorithm. So I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, happy adventuring, everybody.